Most small businesses don't stay small because their product is bad. In many cases, the product is actually pretty good. The real issue is perception. Two businesses can sell something almost identical, but one feels professional and trustworthy, while the other one feels like a hobby project. Customers don't always explain this difference out loud, but they react to it instantly. The difference is branding. Branding isn't just a logo and a color palette. It's the overall impression your business creates the moment someone sees your product, your packaging, or your website. And small branding mistakes can quickly hold a business back from growing. So in this video, I'm going to talk about the branding mistakes that keep many small businesses stuck, and what successful brands tend to do differently. Number 1, trying to appeal to everyone. One of the most common branding mistakes is trying to attract everyone. Many small businesses think that offering more variety will bring in more customers. More products, more styles, more colors, more options. But the opposite often happens. When everything is offered, the brand becomes unclear. Customers have trouble understanding what the business actually specializes in. Strong brands usually focus on something specific. Instead of trying to be everything, they become known for one category or one style. Clarity builds recognition, and recognition builds trust. Number 2, inconsistent visual styles. Another mistake that quietly weakens a brand is inconsistency. Different fonts, different color schemes, different styles of packaging. When every product looks slightly different, the business feels less organized. Customers may not consciously notice this, but they feel it. Consistent brands create a pattern. The same visual style appears across packaging, photos, labels, and social media. That repetition signals stability. Even very small businesses can feel professional when everything looks intentional. Number 3, overcomplicating branding. Many new businesses try to look impressive by adding more design elements, more graphics, decorative fonts, colors, and more information. But premium brands usually move in the opposite direction. They simplify. It's clean packaging, simple color palettes, and clear fonts. Simplicity communicates confidence. When a brand is cluttered, customers have to work hard to understand the product. And whenever buying requires effort, people hesitate. Number 4, weak product photography. Product photography is often more important than the logo, yet many small businesses spend weeks designing a logo while using low-quality photos. Poor lighting, messy backgrounds, and blurry images. Customers judge product quality based heavily on the photos they see. Even great products look cheap with poor photography. Clear lighting and simple backgrounds instantly improve how the product is perceived. Good photos communicate professionalism before a customer reads a single word. Number 5, confusing product names. Another branding mistake is overly creative naming. Unique names can be fun, but they can also create confusion. If a customer can't tell the product from its name, they hesitate. Clear names are easier to understand and easier to remember. Instead of trying to be mysterious, successful brands focus on clarity. Customers should know what they're looking at within a few seconds. Simple names are often the most effective. Number 6, selling too many different products. Many small businesses try to grow by expanding their product list, but offering too many unrelated items can weaken the brand. When a business sells everything from candles to clothing to home decor, it becomes harder for customers to understand its identity. Strong brands usually focus on a clear product category. Specialization builds authority. When customers know exactly what a brand is known for, trust grows faster. Number 7, forgetting the customer experience. Branding doesn't stop with the product. It includes the entire customer experience: the packaging, shipping, communication, and presentation. These details shape how the customers feel about the brand. Thoughtful packaging, clear messaging, and a consistent experience can make a small business feel much more established. And customers remember experiences. When people feel good about a purchase, they are far more likely to come back. What strong brands do differently. Successful brands usually follow simple principles. They keep their message clear, they stay visually consistent, they simplify their presentation, and they focus on a specific audience. They don't try to look like everyone else. They focus on being recognizable. Recognition is what turns a small business into a real brand. So branding isn't about pretending to be a big company. It's about making your small business easy to understand and to trust. Clear products, consistent visuals, simple presentation. Those 3 things alone can dramatically change how a business feels to customers, because most buying decisions happen before someone reads the description. They happen when a brand simply looks right. and small improvements in branding can create big changes in how a business grows. If you run a small business, what do you think makes your brand look professional? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.